Recently, the owner of WhatsApp, Mark Zuckerberg, and his team has given us new features. They have updated WhatsApp platform and has given us new features. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of these basic features that will make you enjoy WhatsApp so much. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly like, comment, subscribe and share this video to others. You can share it on your WhatsApp status for others to benefit from this video. So first of all, you need to update your WhatsApp. So you go to Play Store or App Store and then you update your WhatsApp. If you don't update your WhatsApp, you will not enjoy these new features I'm talking about. I'm going to use 2 WhatsApp to illustrate to you, to show you what I want you to see in this video. So we have the normal WhatsApp, which is my MTN. Then we also have WhatsApp Business, which I used my Vodafone in registering it. So I launched my WhatsApp, the normal WhatsApp. This number 1 feature I'm going to teach you is mainly for people who create WhatsApp groups in teaching people, or people who use WhatsApp groups in selling their products and services. So I created this WhatsApp group purposely for this video. So the name of the WhatsApp group is Family. So I select the family. On top of it, we see the family and then we see the icon for the family. So I select on it, then it brings me here. So you are going to select group settings. Select group settings. So when you select group settings, this is the new feature WhatsApp has brought for us. So we have approve new participants. Approve new participants. So this feature will allow you, anybody who wants to join your WhatsApp group, you will approve that person before the person join your WhatsApp group. So if you notice any scammer who is joining your group, you can prevent that scammer from joining your group. So this feature, I like it very much because not everybody will be accepted to join your group unless you approve the person. So you can turn it on. So we have approve new participants. You click on it and then you turn it on. You turn it on. So when you share your group link, anybody who wants to join, they have to request for access before you approve them, before they can join. So let's try it here. So I'm going to get my group link and then share it to see how it works. So I copy the link. And then I'm going to send it to my Vodafone number. So I have my group link here. So I'm sending it to my Vodafone number. So it has gone. Then I go to my WhatsApp Business, where my Vodafone number is. So we can see the message has dropped. So I'm going to use my Vodafone number to join the WhatsApp group. So let's see. So I just click. So you see, so I have to request to join. So I select on request to join. So waiting for admin approval. So meaning the admin have to approve me before I can join the group. So I select the normal WhatsApp to approve. So we can see Teacher Onga requested to join. So if you want to approve the person, just select on the review and then you check here to approve. So immediately you approve, the person will be able to join the group. So that is the number 1 feature. The person has been approved and then the person has joined the group. The second new feature I'm going to show you is the WhatsApp status microphone. Previously you could only update your WhatsApp with pictures or videos, but now WhatsApp has done it again. You can use voice notes to update your status. So continuous writing of text on your status is not easy. So now you can use your voice note to communicate to people. So first of all, you just select your status. When you select on your status, you see the pencil icon here. So you select on it. It will give you an opportunity to use the microphone. We can see it here. The microphone is here, or the mic. So when you want to use it, you just long press on it. When you long press on it, and as you talk, it records your voice. So immediately you leave it, it stops. So you can replay it to listen to your voice. If you want to delete it, just press the delete icon. Then if you want to send, you just select on the send icon. Yes. So this is the second feature for the new update. So the third one I want to show you is the WhatsApp pool. WhatsApp pool is a simple way to ask questions and get real-time answers in a WhatsApp group or in a WhatsApp chat. So assuming you are in a WhatsApp group and then you want to ask a question, so you can use the WhatsApp pool to ask a question and then you get answers from the members of the group. So let me show you a pool I created on the 12th of March. So I did a WhatsApp class, mobile app masterclass. Then I asked the question in the group. So you can see it here. How is the masterclass so far? So in the middle of the masterclass in the group, I asked a question. How is the masterclass so far? So we can see 36 people said it was excellent. 17 people said it was good. 4 people said it was better. And then 3 people said it was best. 0 people said it was bad. So meaning I had 36 excellent. You get. So if you are using an iPhone or iOS, select on the plus button. So when you select on the plus button, we have the first one: camera, photo and video library, documents, location, contacts, and then pool. You select on the pool. So when you select on the pool, you have to ask your question. What question do you want to ask the WhatsApp group? So I'm going to ask a question. Are you guys married? Are you guys married? Then I add my option: yes, no. So as you type, more options will be added. So after you have finished, if you want to limit to only one choice, you select on only one choice. So after you are done, then you click on send. So immediately you click on send, the pool will be sent to the WhatsApp group. If you are using an Android phone and you want to create your pool, you first select the group you want to create the pool, or you want to ask your question. So after selecting the group, click on the attached file. Click on the attached file. So when you click on it, you will see pool. You select on the pool and then you ask your question. Then you add your option. So after you are done, then you send. You select the send icon. You send. Immediately you send, it will be sent. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, comment, guys, comment.